Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Avinash
This is Ashish.
and this is D Company.
This is D Company.
So we are back with another video. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ വീണ്ടും പവൻ കല്യാൺ സാറിന്റെ
Yes.
വീഡിയോ റിയാക്ഷൻ ആണ് ചെയ്യാൻ
It's another video.
It's another one.
Senani, The Power of Youth, by Karnataka PSPKFC. I think Power Star Pawan Kalyan Fans Club FC. And this video is actually from a YouTube channel called Karnataka PSPKFC. Yeah.
Anyway, let's get
I
into
think
it.
this one is regarding his political career, I guess.
Yes.
Some people recommended this one.
Yes. And without
Yes.
further ado, we'll get into it, okay?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1 and go.
తమ్ముడు పవన్ మన దేశం యంగ్ ఇండియా 60% యువతరం ఈ యువతరానికి నాయకత్వం కావాలి. ఈ యువతరానికి నాయకత్వం కావాలి. రేపటి కాలం మీదే. ఈ యువతరం విజయం మీదే. విజయం మీదే.
ఒక నిర్దిష్టమైన ఆలోచన విధానంతో ఒక సుదీర్ఘమైన 5 సంవత్సరాల లక్ష్యంతో
అది పవర్ఫుల్ స్పీచ్
ముందుకు వచ్చాను.
Inspiration.
పార్టీ పెట్టాను.
ఏంది సార్ మీ వాడు అయినా ఎవరికి లేని ప్రాబ్లం వీడికేంది సార్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ డిఫెక్ట్
టు లివ్ గ్రేట్లీ యు హావ్ టు రిస్క్ గ్రేట్లీ.
చిన్నప్పటి సంది చూస్తున్నా అని అంతనే
ఎలాంటి దౌర్జన్యాలైనా సరే, ఎలాంటి అవినీతినైనా సరే అరికట్టడానికి, పోరాటం చేయడానికి ఇలా మేము ముందుకు వస్తుంటాము.
బలహీనంగా ఉన్న దాని గురించి బలంగా నిలబడతాం.
నీ బాంఛంతరాన్ని కాల్ముక్త అనే బానిసని కాదు కాబట్టి
తనకి ఏది ఉందో అందరికీ అదే ఉండాలనుకుంటాం.
എനിക്ക് ചെറുതൊക്കെ മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ട്, ചിലതൊന്നും മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല അല്ലേ?
యువతరానికి సంబంధం విడిచిపెట్టాం.
స్వాతంత్రం నుండి పేదవాళ్ళకి పే సింగిల్ మ్యాచ్ కూడు కూడు గుట్ట అని చెప్తూ వచ్చారు సార్.
ഇതിന്റെ ആർമിക്ക്
కూడు కూడు గుట్ట కాదు సార్.
What is this issue? I don't know.
విద్య, వైద్య, ఉపాధి, రాజ్యాధికారం
Education,
ఇది
health
సార్
and
కావాలి.
education, health and വേറെ ജോബ് അടി. ഇന്ത്യൻ സാറിനെ കാണാൻ അത്ര പേര്. I think this is movie scene.
దేవుడా రక్షించిన దేశాన్ని చిలకి ఏడ్చాడ్రా.
ఈ స్ఫూర్తి చచ్చిపోయినది మిత్రమా నేనున్నా.
మనమందరం కలిసి పోరాడదాం.
అతను చూసుకుంటాడు, గట్టిగా నిలబడతాడు.
He crossed that and came.
మనల్ని ఎవరు రాయలేదు అక్కడ.
Ra means come.
ఎవరు ఆపుతారో నేను చూస్తాను.
Very nice.
నేను కోపం కాదు నాకు తెలుసు.
దిగజారిపోయిన రాజకీయాలను చూసి చూసి విసిగిపోయి అడుగు మళ్ళీ వచ్చాను రాజకీయాలకి.
ఆవేదన నుంచి పుట్టిన ఆవేశం.
రాజకీయ చోదరులను నిలదీయడానికి జనసేన
నీ ఆవేశం కదా నీ ఆశయం చాలా గొప్పది.
మనిషి నుంచి మనిషికి
ഇത്രയും വർഷം ഉണ്ടാവുമ്പോ there is nothing like പീപ്പിൾക്കൊന്നും പറ്റില്ല
ఎన్నిక బాగోగులు అడుగు త్యాగానికి సంగ్రామానికి ఎన్నిక బాగోగులు 2 రోజుల నుంచి యుద్ధమే ఇక్కడే తెలుసుకుంటాం యుద్ధానికి సంసిద్ధం అవ్వండి
I told you പൊളിക്കുവോ കത്തും അതൊന്നല്ലേ ഭാഗമുണ്ടോ I want to know how he started his career. As a politician ആണോ as an actor ആണോ
కోట్ల మంది మీ అందరి చేతుల నుంచి కలిసి వచ్చింది అందుకే
నాకు అర్థమైన సమయത്ത്
దాని స్థాయి ఏదైనా కూడా చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది.
ఇప్పుడు జనానికి నువ్వు కావాలి.
ഇതിന്റെ മുകളിലിരുന്ന് പോകുന്നുണ്ടോ നൈസ് സോങ് അല്ലേ സോങ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു അല്ലേ മാപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടല്ലേ ఓటు చూడుట
ఎముకలు పుల్లిన వయసు మండిన సోదరులారా చావండి అన్న శ్రీ పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారి మాటల ఉత్తేజంతో యువత రాజకీయాలు చేస్తుంది జాగ్రత్త.
గడ్డిది నీ జాతి కొడుకుని తిరుగుతుంది.
ఎవడా ధైర్యం జనసేన పార్టీ గుండె పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ విముఖంలో జన సైనికుడి చేతి చందా పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ ఆసియాకు చూసాడు
സിനിമ പോലെ തന്നെയല്ലേ ഇപ്പോൾ റിയൽ ലൈഫിലും
నిజ జీవితంలో పోరాటం చేయాలంటే షీర్ డ్యామ్ గట్స్ ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ కసి కావాలి మనకి దెబ్బతిన్నా పైకి లెగుస్తాను అలంగా గెలుస్తాను.
there is always this thing like തുണിയുണ്ട് തോർത്ത് പോലെ
దమ్ముతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు.
ആ ഓറ ഫീൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റൂലേ ഓരോ സ്പീച്ചിലും Nice work guys anyway. This is really good.
Yeah, that's what. That's what. The
പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് ഞാൻ ഒരു സീനിൽ കണ്ടത് കോട്ട് ഇട്ടിട്ടാണെങ്കിൽ ഹീസ് ലൈക്ക് എ ജെന്റിൽമാൻ അറ്റ് ദ സെയിം ടൈം ഹീസ് ഇൻ ടു പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ ഡ്രസ് ഹീസ് ലൈക്ക് വേറെ ആള് ലൈക്ക് രണ്ട് ഇതിൽ നോക്കിയാലും കോട്ട് സൂട്ട് ഇട്ടിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ വേറൊരാളെ പോലെ. പക്ഷെ ഒരു റീസൺ നമ്മളൊരു സിനിമയിലൊക്കെ കാണുന്നൊരു ലൈക്ക് ഒരു ഇതുണ്ടാവില്ലേ ഒരു പ്രൊഫഷണൽ ജോബൊക്കെ പോലെ. പക്ഷെ അതേ സമയത്ത് വൈറ്റ് ആൻഡ് വൈറ്റ് ഇട്ട് വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആ ഒരു മാസും ഉണ്ട്.
ബിക്കോസ് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നൊരു സംഭവം actors act in movies. Like he is just living his normal life in movies. because his character is like that.
യെസ് എക്സാക്ട്ലി. ഞാനത് ആലോചിച്ചായിരുന്നു.
ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ
ആൾക്കാര് മൂവീസിലെ ഓരോ ക്യാരക്ടറിനെ ആൾക്കാർ ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അത് എന്താ പറയാ ഒരു ഇൻസ്പിറേഷനും ഒരു ഇതൊക്കെ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കും. മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ആൾക്കാരുടെ എന്താ പറയാ, നമ്മളിപ്പോ എൻ്റെ ഇൻസ്പിറേഷൻ ചേട്ടനാണ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ
റോൾ
ഐഡൽ ആയിട്ടാണ്, റോൾ മോഡൽ ആയിട്ടാണെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ സിനിമയിലെ ക്യാരക്ടറിനെ ആൾക്കാർ എടുക്കുന്നത്. ബട്ട് ഫോർ ഹിം ഹിസ് ഫാൻസ് റിയൽ ലൈഫിൽ പുള്ളി ഇങ്ങനെയാണ്. സോ റിയൽ ലൈഫിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഈ പുള്ളിനെയാണ്, ഈ സാറിനെയാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഇതാക്കി വെക്കുന്നത്. മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ആ ഒരു ഐഡൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. കാരണം അവർ കുറേ പേര് കമന്റ് സെക്ഷനിൽ വന്ന് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ഞാനത് ഇങ്ങനെ ആലോചിച്ചു. പിന്നെ ആലോചിച്ചപ്പോൾ മൂവിയിലെ ഒരു ക്യാരക്ടർ നമ്മുടെ ഐഡലായിട്ട് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമെങ്കിൽ, നമ്മുടെ ഒരു റോൾ മോഡലായിട്ട് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമെങ്കിൽ, റിയൽ ലൈഫിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ നിൽക്കുന്ന, മൂവിക്കകത്ത് നിൽക്കുന്ന പോലെ റിയൽ ലൈഫിൽ നിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരാള്
that much impact he can provide to the people. It's no wonder he does a great job, by the way. That's why അത് എനിക്കല്ല, no one can does like that. Who will do like that?
No one can do like that.
Yeah, who will do that? Who will do like that?
I don't know.
എടാ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഒരു നമ്മുടെ ഒരു നമുക്ക് എത്ര പൈസ ഉണ്ടായിക്കോട്ടെ, അതിനൊരു 100 കോടി ആൾക്കാർക്ക് വേണ്ടി കൊടുക്കാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആര് ചെയ്യുന്ന സംഭവമാണ്? ഇറ്റ്സ് എ റിയലി,
കാരണം എത്രയോ ആക്ടേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്, ദേ ഹാവ് ലോട്ട്സ് ആൻഡ് ലോട്ട്സ് ഓഫ് മണി, ബട്ട് ദേ ഡു ചാരിറ്റി, ബട്ട് വി ആർ നോട്ട് ടെല്ലിങ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല എന്ന്. പക്ഷേ ഐ ഡോണ്ട് തിങ്ക് ഇൻ ഇന്ത്യ ഒരു ആക്ടറും ഈ
Like him,
പവൻ
no
കല്യാൺ
one does
സാറിനെ
like
പോലെ ആരും ചാരിറ്റി ചെയ്യാറില്ല. I don't think so. I have not known anyone. If you guys know, just let us know in the comments. And until then, we'll be back with another video.
yeah.
Like, share, subscribe. Okay.
And
that's it for the day.
bye bye.
Until bye.